Good afternoon. Today we are going to be cooking country style ribs. Normally when I do slab ribs it's 4 to 6 hours. That's entirely too long for camping. Now with country style ribs you're looking at about a 1 hour cook time. And the nice thing about it, this particular package was 99 cents a pound. You can find them $99, $1.19, very inexpensive cut of meat. Right, it's extremely delicious, and that's what we're going to show you how to do today. Just to damp them down, you want to get all the moisture off of it, because we want them dry. Looking good. Now we have them all dried, and then we'll spray them down with olive oil. After we have them sprayed with olive oil, we're going to use some Paula Deen's seasonings, generous amount. Okay, then we'll use lemon and pepper. Generous amount. Flip them over. Pat them down if necessary. Spray them with olive oil. Now we're going to season this side again with Paula Deen's. Then we're going to put a generous amount of lemon and pepper. Wipe your container down, place them in here. Now we will cover with aluminum foil for about 1 hour. Make sure they get nice and happy. We want them happy. Okay, we'll be back in 1 hour to show you the next segment. We be smoking. We're approximately 350 degrees. Our ribs have been marinating about an hour. We're ready to smoke them. Now we've got hickory chips down in the bottom for smoke, and we're going to take the ribs and we're going to place them on the lowest level on the grill. Because what we want to do is we want to sear them. We want to get them as hot as possible and sear as much of the juices in as possible. And we will be doing about 10 minutes on each side. Go baby go. My art director told me I needed to explain Paula Deen's seasonings. Paula Deen's is a combination of salt, garlic, and pepper. Now we have reduced the recipe a little bit because the original recipe from Paula Deen was a little bit too salty for us. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check, see how our ribs look. I think we need to give them about 2 more minutes, maybe 3, then we'll come back again. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and check our rib. turn them. This is how they're looking. They're starting to cook real good. Rotate that one. That's looking real good. Okay, the ones in the back seem to be cooking a little faster, so we need to rotate this. This is what we're looking at. Now we're going to do 10 minutes on the other side. Okay. We'll be back in 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, and now we're going to check, see how things are cooking. Looks like it's cooking a little slower than it should, so let's give it another 2 minutes. Okay, we've added an extra 2 minutes of time. We're ready to pull the ribs. First of all, we're going to pull our smoke tray. We're finished smoking. Our ribs are looking good. I sure wish you could smell this. It is absolutely delicious. Now we're going to coat it with some of Chuck's favorite sweet heat. Next time I do a batch of barbecue, I will show you how I make this, and it will no longer be a secret. Stay tuned. First of all, we're going to coat it with a little barbecue sauce on this side. Now here's the secret. We're going to take and we're going to wrap this with aluminum foil. So at this point, we no longer are grilling or smoking. We're actually going to be braising it, and that's the secret. We're braising it under high heat. Now, you do want some of this steam to come out, otherwise it's going to be entirely too juicy and covered with liquid. So you bring out your trusty pocket knife and you put some holes in it. That is to let the steam escape and let it dry out a little bit. Now, once we've done that, it's going to go in the oven for 15 minutes, second shelf this time. 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll see how we are, and we'll flip it and put more. Okay, our ribs have been in for another 15 minutes. They need to come out. And we're going to turn our fire off. Here's what our ribs look like. Camp style ribs are juicy, tender, and tasty. This all can be done in less than 1 hour. And the price for doing this is economical because you can usually find them on sale. Okay, tonight's dinner is grilled cauliflower, BBQ Camp Ribs. We're going to end this segment because it's time to eat.